Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are going to do our very own custom motorcycle helmet. We're going to respray it using rattle cans, just household products like that. Have some fun, see how that goes, and then perhaps we can do some other ones as well. But stay tuned and we'll get right into it. So we're going to start off, we're going to give this thing a wash. It's dirty as heck. We're going to take out the liner, strip it completely, get it prepped, ready. So let's jump into it. Now that we got this relatively clean, we're going to go ahead and start stripping off all the rubbers, all the stuff. We're going to take out the interior, get this thing nice and sorted, and then probably clean it again. Okay, now we got it nice and clean. We're going to go ahead and sand it, rough it all up, tape up the inside, and then shoot primer. Okay, first coat primer is done. We're going to give it a few minutes just to settle. We're going to do a second coat, and then when that dries, we're going to do a bit of a wet sand, see if there's any spots that we missed, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so the primer has dried. We decided we're not going to wet sand it now. We're not that professional, and this is not that professional of a build. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the color. So the idea is we're going to do the whole thing gloss black, and then we're going to chuck it with a whole bunch of glitter, get it a nice galaxy type theme, clear coat it, and then after a couple of clear coats we'll probably see if we need to wet sand it then, if we got any runs or imperfections, and we're going to take it from there. So let's jump into it. There it is, guys. We are done. The helmet is fully assembled. It looks great. Let us know down in the comments below if you think it came out awesome. We like it. Until next time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy.